holiday. It's November 30 and tomorrow is the New Year's Eve. So, wala tayong pasok today and we're gonna cook something special. So, ito ay dahil tayo may bagong oven. So, magta-try tayong gumawa ng herb roast chicken with some veggies. So, ayan. On the side, I'm making some cookies. So, nakasalang na siya. The cookies. First batch in the oven. Yan. And while waiting, we're gonna make some herb roast chicken. So, ano-ano ba yung ingredients ng ating roast chicken? So, I have here 1 whole chicken. So, this is Magnolia chicken, not sponsored. So, this is more than 1 kilo. Ayan. So, I already cleaned and before natin lagyan ng timpla, ipapat dry natin with paper towel. And I also have some salt and pepper, fresh basil, lemon. So, we're gonna be using the rind, and yung laman we're gonna place inside the chicken. And I also have 2 whole garlic. So, 1 whole will be placed inside and the other one will be making the rub. I have 1 medium onion, and we have here extra virgin olive oil. So, this is very good olive oil. This is a pasalubong from Secret. And I also have on the side, while roasting, we're gonna put some baby potatoes, but I don't think babies pa to. They're a little bit bigger than the marble potatoes. And I also have 2 small carrots. So, ayan, ang kalat ng table, but it's okay. And I'm gonna be using my what's this? My food processor. Ayan. Mini food processor. So, ayan. I will just peel the garlic and onions and we'll be making our roast chicken. So guys, we're back. We will be making our wrap. So, I have already peeled 1 whole garlic. Yan. Buhay ang garlic. Tumatalog. So, lalagay lang natin dito sa ating chopper. And then, I have some lemon rind. So, wala akong pang zest ng lemon. So, ayan. We have lemon rind. And then, I will be using fresh basil. So, this is about 1 cup. Ayan. Then, we will add some salt and pepper. So, mahilig ako sa pepper. So, I added 2 tablespoons of pepper and 1 tablespoon of salt. And, nakalimutan ko kaninang sabihin na we will be using some rosemary. So, this is dried rosemary. So, masarap to sa chicken. And we will just add some, siguro about 1/4 cup of olive oil. Then, magdagdag na lang tayo pag kulang. And then, I will just use my guys, here it is, our chicken. So we're gonna massage with our rub. It's very aromatic. Ang bango. And I can smell my cookies. Ang bango-bango. Guys, yung isang tinuro para daw mas malasa. So, we're gonna put some rub in between the meat and the skin. So, kita nyo ba yan? So, iangat nyo ng konti yung skin. And, we'll put some of our rub in between. There you go. Sa gitna and we'll place it inside the chicken. And yung tinanggalan natin ng zest na lemon, we'll put it inside the chicken's cavity. And we also have yung ating onion. Messy, pero okay lang yan. Just gonna tatalian natin yung paa ni chicken para hindi siya bumuka. Hindi siya nakabuka pa. So, wala akong pantali. Wala akong twine. So, I use ito. Yung foil na binilog-bilog ko lang. Ayan. Yung aluminum pan na nilagyan ko ng foil. So, we'll be placing our chicken over here. Ayan. And ito ating baby potatoes. Isi-season din natin with the same na nilagay natin sa chicken. So, yung natira na minix natin kanina. Lagay natin dito sa ating potatoes. And I just added some more pepper and salt. And then, dadagdagan pa natin ng olive oil. Ayan. Dahil mahilig kami sa potatoes, kaya dinamihan ko siya. And then, itotos lang natin. Huminga na. Mabilis naman ang aking kamay. So, ayan. Itotos. Hanggang ma-distribute yung mga herbs. Naamoy nyo lang. So, mabango. Yun nga palang kasi, these are not so baby potatoes. So, yung iba medyo malalaki. Kinat ko into halves. Tapos, meron tayong carrots as well. Then, ilalagay lang natin to dito sa gilid. Then, ilalagay natin siya dito sa gilid ng ating chicken. And then, we're gonna roast this for 1.5 hours. So guys, i-din natin itong mga herbs. Lagay natin lahat dyan sa chicken. So guys, ito na yung ating chicken na i-roast natin for 1.5 hour. Nice. Hopefully, masarap. So, mamaya balikan ko kayo pag luto ng ating chicken. So, 30 minutes in the oven. Ayan. Another hour.